Hey, what's up, guitar players? This is Jen, and today we're gonna learn the intro to Octopus's Garden by the Beatles, of course. So we've got a lot to cover. I'm gonna take it beat by beat of the 4 measures, and then we're gonna kind of put it all together. This is gonna go a little bit fast, so if you need to slow down the video with the YouTube settings of like make it half speed or 75% of the speed, and also write down the tab. You'll have the tab underneath, but write it down so you can see it and stop it where you need it to be. So don't feel like you have to go as fast as this video goes. This is just a reference. Take it at your speed. Okay, so let's get started. We're going to start here on the 4th string, 9th fret, and we're going to go 9, hammer on to 11. Now change strings to the 3rd string, do the same thing. 9, hammer on to 11. Now you're going to slide to 13. So now shift positions and get your first finger to the 12th fret of the 2nd string. Hammer on, pull off, 12, 14, 12. So let's put that together. Now get your 3rd finger back here to 13 on the 3rd string. Slide to 11. Now 9. Now you're going to go back to 11, and you're going to slide up to 13, and then immediately come off of it. So slide to 13, then come off. Let's put that together. Now let's put that whole measure together. 9, 11, 9, 11, slide to 13, 12, 14, 12. Now 13. Slide up and back. Moving on, we're going to do the same thing. But here, I want you to go to the 1st string 12th fret. Now 14, 12, pull off on the 2nd string. Let's put those 2 beats together. Now go to your 3rd string, 13th fret, slide back to 11, 9, and then we're going to do these double stops on 11 and 10 of the 3rd string and 2nd string. Go up a half step, and then you'll go up a half step again, resolve here. So let's put those last 2 measures together. Start on 13 on the 3rd string. Now you're going to slide into it. Just like that. And make sure you're only hitting these 2 strings, because you might be tempted to kind of do something like that. Make it really clean. Slide in, just like that. So now let's put that last beat together that we just talked about. So we've got 9, 11, 9, 11, 13, 1st string 12, 2nd string 14 and 12, 3rd string 13 and 11 to 9. Now double stop, slide in, 11 and 10, 12 and 11, 13 and 12. So now let's put those first 2 measures together. All right, moving on to the first beat of the third measure. You're going to hold out this 12 and 13. Then the second beat is going to be second string 14 and 12. So pull off. Now 13 and 11, but slide on the third string. Now 9, 9 again. Go to 11, same string. 11, 9 on the fourth string. So let's do that whole measure. So we're ending here on 13 and 12. Now 14, 12, second string. 13 and 11. 9, 9. Now 11, 9, pull off. Change strings, 11, 9, pull off. And now we have 11 on the fifth string, slide back to 9, 7, 7, 9, and we're going to the sixth string, 7th fret, 7, 7, 7 to resolve. And I'm sliding half a step in. It's not a crazy slide. Let's take that whole beat. So here we go. We have 11, slide to 9 on the fifth string, 7, 7 again, 9, now 7 on the sixth string 3 times, slide it in. So let's take the last 2 measures and put it together. So we've got to slide into 13 and 12. Now, let's put it all together. Stay with me if you can, but remember, if it's too much, don't worry about it. Take it at the speed that you need it to be. Okay, here we go. Fourth string, 9, 11, 9, 11, slide to 13, hammer on pull off, 13, slide to 11, 9, now 11, up to 13, slide up and back quickly. Now 12 on the first string, second string, third string, double stops, slide into them, 13, 11, 9, 9, 11, 9, 11, pull off to 9. Now 11, slide to 9, 7, 7, 9, 7, 7, 7. Let's do that one more time. I'm not going to say anything. I'm going to play it just a little bit faster. Here we go. And that's it for the intro. It's super cool. This one is really, really, really fast. So don't put so much pressure on yourself to get it up to speed without it being accurate. It's really important that you get accuracy. It's going to sound a lot better if you play it at 50% or slower if you need to, but that it's clean than if you try to play it at 100 and it's just a train wreck. I know that a lot of people are going to want to play it faster because that's what they've heard, but definitely get a slow downer program so you can start hearing it slower and getting it to your level. So again, I know that was fast and that was a lot of notes and a lot of moving around, but take it in small chunks. I'd really recommend you writing your own tab so that it's in your handwriting and you can reference it whenever you want, and then come back to the video, pause the video, make your own notes, and then come back to the video when you need to hear it or have questions about where to go next. So that's it for this one. This is a Patreon supported video. So thanks to a lovely, lovely, lovely group of people. I continue to do videos because they keep me honest. They keep me real. They keep the stars in the night sky. They keep the sun in the morning sky. I was trying to be poetic. Turns out I am not a poet. I think that's it. That's all I have to say. But yeah, wonderful people supporting these videos. So if you're interested in figuring out how to become a part of the Patreon family, my Patreon family, please go to www.patreon.com/JenTrani and check out all the ways that you can help these videos out. And let me know if you have any questions about this. But if not, I will see you in the next video. Did we just stop recording? I hope that was in focus. Is anything even recording? Or no? You tired of recording? Is it too much for you, computer? It might be too much.